Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 22nd of June, 2023. Here to talk about NEO stock today. Price target was hit. Now what? Well, we're going to try to figure it out. So welcome everyone to the channel. Let's go ahead and get into our price prediction. You guys can see originally I had this price prediction on my chart taking us all the way back here to May the 22nd, May the 23rd of 2023, right? And we've been doing videos since that time. The latest one that we did for NEO was on the 13th of June. Okay, so this is where the price was trading when we did our video in NEO. It was right here. And as you can tell, I did not change the price prediction. I said, look, it looks as if NEO stock wants to go up. And that is precisely what it did. Market here on the 16th, so 3 days after we did our latest video, price hit our ultimate TP price. You guys can see finally 13.88%. That's one of the hardest things about predicting and forecasting price action, is because we have no idea of how long price is going to take to hit your area, to hit your target. We just don't know. If I knew that, I would not be here on YouTube right now. I wouldn't. But since I don't, count that a blessing to those who would like to learn more about how to predict prices, because now you have the opportunity to actually see this. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right here. Congratulations to those who was able to profit in the market in NEO, because we need to talk. Yeah, I got to show you all some things off the chart for NEO. I know many of you may be questioning, is the stock still going to go higher in NEO? Well, on a daily time frame, I can't say yes. Let me show you why. The reason why is because we received, okay, as price in NEO was coming around $10, trading around that level, we began to see an indicator. You guys can see it that the arrow is pointing down to. It is an up fake, right? And then after this particular day, June the 16th, NEO decided to make another one, another up fake. So on the daily chart, NEO is weak, okay? It's telling us that we shouldn't be bullish. Those two indicators right there on the daily chart is telling you should not be bullish right now in the market in NEO. What about on the 2-day chart? Okay, we have 8 hours and 51 minutes on this current 2-day price bar, and again, that doesn't look bullish neither. It doesn't. Now you can see, however, that buyers are currently trying to hit the market in NEO right around here. This is where the buyers currently are at. Do you think NEO, the sellers in NEO, are going to break that to the downside? Because if they are, then maybe we need to predict prices going lower. Okay. Let's look at this on the 3. This is a completed 3-day price bar right here. And again, there's still some weakness into the market in NEO. So outside of us seeing price in NEO hold $9, I would have to say price is going to go down off of the 3-day price chart. Now, considering that, the market may only come down to this downtrend line to bounce off of it, meaning we can see the market run up, come down, and begin to go higher, but only just to come down. We can see that. Or the market in NEO can grab this trend to go back up. Okay, so let me take this downtrend line away, because price has completely taken it out the way. So there's no need for us to keep our charts complicated. Once price in NEO broke this downtrend line to the upside, that downtrend now is irrelevant. There's no need for us to hold it. So our attention is going to be focused on this current trend into the market in NEO, which is higher prices. Okay, this trend started all the way back on the ending of May, the last day of May, well, on this 3-day chart. So our attention is going to be focused on the buyers currently coming in around $9 or off this trend line. Okay, that's our first emphasis as to where we're going to predict prices in NEO going. Okay, so it looked like 875 is going to be first, and then 850 is going to be second. Okay. Now, 5 more days, or 4 days and 9 hours, we're still seeing some weakness though. And sellers hit the market in NEO all the way up here. Okay. This is why price in NEO is not going higher. It's because of the sellers here, back here in the beginning of the year, towards the ending of 2022. So this is the next hurdle that these buyers are going to have to work at in order to allow NEO to continue to go higher. Okay. A day and 9 hours. Again, there's too much selling being seen on multiple time frames in NEO for me to say that this stock is still bullish right now. So what we're going to do, I'm not even going to waste your time anymore. We are going to play some weakness into the market in NEO. Okay. Now I told you the first target is 875, second target is 850, because we want to make a determination, or at least we want to see buyers come in and hold those levels. Okay. We at least want to see that. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. 875. Around 3.5% move to the downside. Not a lot. Second target is 850, which is 6.5%. Again, it's not a lot, but we want to get confirmation of buyers at these levels though. So that's why these are our targets. Because if buyers do show up at 875, then we know we need to exit out this position and say, yeah, let's continue to move the market up. If they don't, we got 850 next, which takes us to this trend line, which will give us more confirmation that buyers are still running the campaign. If they don't, then we're just simply seeing NEO consolidate. Okay, if this trend breaks, NEO is merely consolidating. It's just simply trading within a trading range. And we'll have to come back in and update the market and watch NEO continue to trade in the channel. So I'm just going to do those two targets right now, 875 and 850. And we'll see which one of those areas hold. If they do, if they don't, then like I said, we'll continue to play weakness into the market until the buyers do show up. And just expect the market really just to consolidate. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.